Oh my god, my battery's about to die. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am super excited about this unit that I'm about to try on for you guys for the very first time. This is my very first time opening it, you guys, and oh my god, you see it's from LuvMe Hair. Okay, again, this is a Facebook, Instagram brand, you guys. This is the second unit that I will be reviewing from them, so yeah, and kind of excited because this is a little different. Anyway, and this particular unit came with a stocking cap, a flat iron, you guys. I got a flat iron. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this. Look at this. I got a flat iron with this unit. Okay, again, like I said, this unit is very, very, very different. Okay, so it's a human hair body wave closure wig, you guys. I believe it's in 14 inches, and I'm not going to tell you the color. I'm not going to tell you the color yet, you guys. I'm going to let you see it. That's what I'm going to let you do. I'm going to let you see the color. Part of it's 1B though. It's gray, you guys. It's gray. Okay, oh my god. It's gray. Like, it's gray. Oh my god. Came with an elastic band attached. Comes with, how many combs? 1, 2. It comes with 4 combs. Comes with 4 combs, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head now. Oh my god, the hair is super soft, you guys. Oh my god, the hair is super soft. Now, this unit is gorgeous. Look at it, you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, you guys.
Freestyle.
This is like literally my first impressions of the hair. I love the curls that it came with. Came with like a body wave curl. I have to show you my inspiration picture, okay? I'm gonna insert my inspiration picture so you can see. I absolutely love this, you guys. I love this. Oh my god, let me see if I can wear it to the side. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on my parting area. So I just put some concealer. Parting is so long. What do you guys think? You guys, I'm feeling this color for the summer. I think it's something to have fun with. It's not something I would go to work with or, you know, to be serious, but, you know, I think I look absolutely great. It's a lace closure, so it's not like a frontal, which means it's easier to wear. I can just throw it on. And you know what? I feel like if I get tired of this gray, I can always dye this black or any other color, you know? I'm totally okay. You know, I think the shipping was super quick. The hair does not, it doesn't have a smell. All right, my other hair didn't have a smell that I got from LuvMe Hair. I like it. I don't know. I like it. Y'all don't like it? But I like it. Okay? Like a sexy grandma. I hope you enjoyed this short review, you guys. If you have any questions about this unit, don't forget to leave them down below. And I will see you in another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Let's go. Let's go. Freestyle.